For most people, a mortgage is the biggest debt they'll ever have, and over the life of a 30-year loan, you could end up paying tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest. The good news? You don't necessarily have to keep your mortgage for 30 years. Today, I'll show you 7 proven strategies that can help you pay off your mortgage faster and potentially save a significant amount in interest. Let's get started. Owning your home free and clear can provide financial flexibility and peace of mind. But before making extra mortgage payments, make sure you've built an emergency fund and addressed any higher interest debt first. Once you're ready, here are 7 ways to accelerate your mortgage payoff. Strategy number 1, make 1 extra payment each year. One of the simplest ways to reduce your loan balance faster is by making 1 additional monthly payment every year. Because extra payments generally reduce your principal balance, you'll pay less interest over time. Even 1 extra payment annually can shorten the life of many mortgages. It's simple, automatic, and surprisingly effective. But there's an even easier method. Strategy number 2, switch to biweekly payments. Instead of making 12 monthly payments each year, make half your monthly payment every 2 weeks. Because there are 52 weeks in a year, you'll end up making the equivalent of 13 monthly payments instead of 12. That extra payment goes toward reducing your loan principal faster. Always confirm with your lender how biweekly payments are applied before enrolling in a program. Now here's a strategy that many homeowners overlook. Strategy number 3, round up your monthly payment. If your mortgage payment is $1,685, round it up to $1,800, or even $1,700. That small difference may not feel significant each month. But over time, it can reduce your interest costs and shorten your payoff timeline. Small extra payments add up. Now let's talk about unexpected money. Strategy number 4, use windfalls wisely. Tax refunds, annual bonuses, work incentives, inheritance, or side hustle income. Instead of spending all of that money, consider putting part of it towards your mortgage principal. Lump sum payments can have a meaningful impact, especially early in your loan when interest makes up a larger portion of each payment. Here's another habit that makes a big difference. Strategy number 5, avoid refinancing into a longer loan unless it fits your goals. Refinancing can lower your monthly payment or interest rate. But extending your loan back to 30 years may increase the total interest you pay over the life of the mortgage. Before refinancing, compare both your monthly savings and the total long-term cost. The lowest monthly payment isn't always the least expensive option. Now here's one strategy that many financially successful homeowners follow. Strategy number 6, increase payments when your income increases. Did you get a raise, a promotion, or a new job? Instead of increasing your lifestyle, increase your mortgage payment. Applying part of every income increase toward your principal can significantly reduce the length of your loan without dramatically changing your lifestyle. And finally, this last strategy is the most important. Strategy number 7, stay consistent. Paying off a mortgage early isn't about making one huge payment. It's about making small extra payments consistently over many years. Consistency beats perfection. Every extra dollar applied to your principal today can reduce the interest you pay tomorrow. A mortgage doesn't have to last 30 years. With a plan, discipline, and consistent extra payments, you may be able to own your home much sooner than you think. Before making large extra payments, consider how they fit alongside other financial priorities, like retirement savings, emergency reserves, and higher interest debt. The right balance depends on your personal situation. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe because next week we're covering the smartest ways homeowners can build wealth after paying off debt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.